Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you are on in good health, taking the necessary precautions against COVID-19. Okay, so we have all these things here, and can you guess what we are going to make today? In this video, we will be creating a Sahara globe. Okay, as you can see, we have the camel and the palm trees and golden glitter. Okay, so apart from these items, we need water, glycerin, and a bottle which we will be using for the globe, and a glue gun so we can stick these miniature toys onto the lid. Okay guys, let's start with the gluing process first. Okay. So what do we need here is that first we need to make sure that we glue the miniature toys on the right place. Okay, now moving on to our camel here. We will fill the bottle with water and some glycerin. Now guys, let's stir it a bit. We will now add glitter, golden glitter. Well, it looks like it's enough, but let's add a bit more to be on the safe side. Okay, well, it looks like it's okay. We can add some more glitter. It's up to you how much glitter you want to add to it. Now guys, as our sand globe is almost ready, one final step remains. as you can see guys, our snow globe is ready. Oh sorry, it's not a snow globe, it's a Sahara globe. Right, our Sahara globe is ready. You can try out different experiment with it, different stuff. You can try out different miniature. If you want to make it, if you want to make a snow globe, you can add white glitter to it, and make sure that the glycerin, you add a decent amount of glycerin. So here is the final look guys. It's really fun activity guys. I'm telling you, it's a really fun activity and I enjoyed it a lot, and hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you.